Check out all these bees on the fig right here. That's pretty awesome. There's a ton of them in there. Well, we'll try not to bug them because they're going to get pretty upset if they get knocked out of the way. Okay, we got a quick project here today. We're going to clear along the property line. There's some sweet gums that are growing over right here. So we're just going to come and clear all these out of the way. Probably clean up the jasmine just a little bit here. And then at the very end, we'll climb the palm tree right here. There's a seed pod on the back side of it that hasn't opened yet. Whereas back here, there is a seed pod that has opened. So we're going to just cut the seed pod before it makes a big mess and get on with our day. I think we're going to skip the figs for today. Look at this, there's so many of them and they get so mad. Maybe we could get this one right here. Okay, I got 40% battery, gotta hurry. All right, we're all done on this job. It's just a little bit of cleaning up to do. So we have a bunch of palm fronds to clean up. We've got a lab inspection over here, so hopefully that check is going well. Got all our gear cleaned up. Now, I don't know what everyone else thinks about this, but when the leftover palm fronds get left on here, it's like such a super sloppy job. It takes just a handful of minutes to come, pull them off. You saw they just come off with light hand pressure, and it's really frustrating that nobody puts the effort into doing this properly, cleaning it all up. Those palm fronds, the little remnant pieces, bugs live in there, could disease the tree, and it's just so much easier to clean them up and do it properly, but everyone else seems to not put the effort in. Now, this thing is so clean. See all the way up. Okay, let's get cleaned up here.